Hello everyone, my name is Asif. Welcome to my channel. Today we going by to. Now we are coming to Itäkeskus. His name, this place's name is Itäkeskus. But we will buy some meat. Maybe we will do tomorrow little bit kebab in the winter time. Let's go. Wow, looking good. How much is it? You know? درود خدمت شما دوستان عزیز. ما امروز آمدیم در ایتاکسکوس، در این طرف بازار خارجی. در این بازار نان خشک بخواهیدم پیدا میشه، گوشت تازه بخواهیدم پیدا میشه. This place they making bread. It's so fresh. نان خشک تازه. Okay. Just finish. citymarket. اینم جای پارکینگ موتره. بسیار پارکینگ کلانم است. 3 ساعت مفت میتونی پارک کنی، بوری بال سودا مودای خی بخری، بعد از او بخیر بریم طرف خانه خو. اینجا بزنم دیگه. یم چمدانایی که بلده مسافرت. This is citymarket in Itäkeskus. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where?
To English.
To English? Okay. Bye bye. Mr. Javed, what you looking for? How much is it? €4.
4 €99.
99. Oh yes. So you want to buy?
Yes.
Okay.
I want to get this one. This one.
Which one?
Yes. That name is
Ah.
Superman.
Okay.
Here is all the toys.
Okay. Wow. Looking good.
Yes.
How much is it? You know? I think. Let me.
Wait a minute.
Yeah. 69.99.
Watch. You see this color?
Yes. It's different color.
Yes. White. This color.
Yeah, but it's better what you have now.
Yes, it's better.
So let me see how much is it.
Wait a minute. Wait a sec. Watch. Watch.
Ah,
Okay. Watch.
let me.
Is this?
Yeah, it's the same, huh? 69.99.
Wait a
But
minute. Is
they have some Red. Oh, we find it.
Yes.
45 euros.
Yes, there's no cents.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you want to buy?
Yes.
Okay.